Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, working on the free T again. So in the last video, or two videos, you saw where we showed you the process for shortening the torque tube and the drive shaft. Now that that's all done, basically all the major mechanical fabrication and modifications are basically done, and now I can work on getting the engine pulled out. We can make the front boxing plates that I couldn't get to with the engine in, and we're gonna just finalize some last couple of things like the headlights. I'm gonna get them all squared up, get the threaded inserts in the frames so that that's all good, and then we're just gonna do a lot of sanding, finish welding, and blending and smoothing so that we're ready to do some rust encapsulator platinum and some chassis black from Eastwood. So we are going to try and get as much done as we can in this video and just kind of show you what we work on today. So let's get started. All right, so did a ton of welding. We went past our Sunday service, but the last couple of shots you saw where I was jumping around, welding all of the boxing plates, pretty much getting them welded in. We got, I'd say, 90% of the welding done. We just have to flip it over, do some last little spots that I might have forgotten about, and then just go over the whole entire thing, making sure there's no pinholes or spots that I missed, and we can sand everything, get it all ready and prepped, and then we can spray our rust encapsulator and then our chassis paint, and we will have a chassis that is painted in one color, which is going to be pretty exciting. So that's all I have for this one. In the upcoming episodes, you're going to probably see some smaller bite-sized type videos where we're going to be doing powder coating and painting the different parts, rebuilding or restoring some of the brake parts, some of the pedal parts, some of the steering, all that stuff. So we'll do little bite-sized videos on those. We're not going to get super in-depth and show you painting every little trinket on the car, but we will try and cover as much of the process as we can, and hopefully it'll bring you guys value. We do videos on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button, and we appreciate it, guys. Catch you later.